Consequences of liquid pressure. Thickness of wall of a dam is increased towards the bottom. The thickness of its wall increases from top towards the bottom. The reason is that the pressure exerted by liquid increases with the depth. Thus, the depth increases, more and more pressure is exerted by water on the wall of the dam. The thicker wall is required to withstand a greater pressure. Therefore, the wall of the dam is made up of thickness increasing toward the base. Now, next topic is atmospheric pressure. The earth is surrounded by air up to height of the about 200 km from its surface. This envelope of air around the earth is called atmosphere. The weight of air column exerts a thrust on a earth's surface. The thrust exerted on a unit area of the earth's surface is called the atmospheric pressure. Thus, the thrust exerted per unit area on the earth's surface due to the column of the air is called the atmospheric pressure on the surface of earth. A thrust of 100,000 Newton acts on every 1 meter square of the surface of objects on earth. The existence of atmospheric pressure can be demonstrated by this activity. In this activity, we observe that the postcard does not fall down from the glass, although the pressure due to the water column in the glass acts on it. The reason is that the atmospheric pressure acting upwards on the postcard from the outside the glass overcomes the pressure on the postcard due to the water in the glass. Now, some example in a daily life to show the existence of atmospheric pressure. First example is when a drink is sucked with the straw, the air of the straw goes into the lungs. Thus, air pressure in the straw decreases. The atmospheric pressure acting on a drink exerts force on the drink to move up into the straw and then into the mouth. Now, second example, the syringe gets filled with the liquid when its plunger is pulled up due to the atmospheric pressure acting on the liquid. Action of rubber suckers. Rubber suckers are often used to hooks in the kitchen and bathroom. For this, rubber sucker is pressed hard against the wall so that the air between the suckers and wall is forced out, creating a vacuum in between. The atmospheric pressure acting on it from outside then holds the sucker along with the hook on its firmly against the wall. Lizards are able to move on a wall and stay whenever they desire. This is because their feet behave like a suction pads, so they remain pressed against the wall due to the atmospheric pressure. Nose bleeding often occur at a high altitude. The reason is that the atmospheric pressure is low at high altitude, but the pressure inside the human body does not change. Thus, the excess pressure inside the body compared to the atmospheric pressure causes the nose bleeding. Thank you.